Some folks make decisions and some folks clean the streets now. Imagine what it feels like, imagine how it sounds. Imagine life is perfect and everything works out. No tears are falling from my eyes. I'm keeping all the pain inside. Now don't you wanna live with me? I'm lazy as a man can be. I'm wicked and I'm lazy. Don't you wanna save me? Imagine there's a girlfriend, imagine there's a job, imagine there's an answer, imagine there's a God. Imagine I'm a devil, imagine I'm a saint. Lazy money, lazy sexy, lazy out of space. No tears are falling from my eyes. I'm keeping all the pain inside. Now don't you wanna live with me? I'm lazy as a man can be. Hard men, hard lives, hard keeping it all inside. Good times, good God, I'm so lazy I almost stopped. I'm wicked and I'm lazy. Don't you wanna save me? I'm wicked and I'm lazy. Don't you wanna save me? I'm lazy when I'm loving, I'm lazy when I play. I'm lazy with my girlfriend 1,000 times a day. I'm lazy when I'm speaking, I'm lazy when I walk. I'm lazy when I'm dancing and I'm lazy when I talk. I open up my mouth, air comes rushing out. Nothing doing, nada, never. How you like me now? Wouldn't it be mad? Wouldn't it be fine? Lazy, lucky lady, dancing, loving all the time. I'm wicked and I'm lazy. won't stop. I'm wicked and I'm lazy. Don't you wanna save me?
Three, two, one. The late adopter. Yo, guys, welcome to Bitcoin Daily, 9 a.m. Central European time on the dollar. Every day, Monday to Friday, we do this show because we gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else. And right now, it does look a little bit bullish. This is actually Ethereum, but you know, Bitcoin does look bullish. There is an expanding channel. Stuff is going. We are at the bottom, so we are looking for right now for a nice pump towards the upside. We're gonna talk about it. How's everybody doing in the chat? The central bank, what's up? Express Lazy, yes, exactly. The reason I'm playing the Lazy song is because, you know, a long time ago I was, you know, having a summer vacation, and I remember lying on the beach, and, you know, the bar behind me was blasting the Lazy song all day long, and I got such nice memories when it's sunny outside. We did this song, so I was like, you know what, right now I'm feeling good. You know, you know, here in Norway, you know, the weather is shiny. It's been raining for a long time, and you know, crappy weather, but today is very nice, so I'm getting this, you know, summer vibes back again, and I was like, let's play Lazy, guys, let's play Lazy. Morning, Martin, how you doing, man? Jade is in the chat. Morning, Christo, Wank, Nick Crack, morning, all. Great song, yeah, great song, man, very nice tunes. Good day all. Ahoy, Sashka. You know, in Western country, you know, Sasha might be a, you know, considered a girl's name, but in Eastern country, you know, Sasha is boy's name, Sashka is girl's name. You know, and also you know, Sasha is short for Alexander in Russia and Eastern countries, if you didn't know that. So, you know, my name is actually Sasha, not Alexander, but, you know, if you see somebody called Alexander, you know, they might be often referred to as Sasha for some reason. I don't know why. Sasha, welcome. How you doing, man? Cobus, Bridge Cable, what's up? Asprice, good morning, Asprice, how you doing, man? Stanko, Luigi, Sagar, Kate, hey everyone, hey, Vishal, my bro, when Bits pumps to 100k, we'll be chilling listening to Lazy. Yeah, exactly, that's what we're gonna do. Also, Bruno Mars, Lazy song. I don't know, didn't listen to that one. Jade, which country are you from? The sun is shining over in the UK. I'm right now in Norway. I'm from Norway, so yeah, it's nice tunes. We got an expanding wedge up here. We are at the bottom. Bitcoin is, you know, trying to push the price down. It just cannot do it right now, so we need to pump. We need a morning or fee. How you doing, man? How you doing? Ah, man, good tunes, and nice song and nice weather, and everything's looking good. Sasha used for the name Anastasia in Greece. Oh, okay, so there you go. Crypto Jack, good morning, man, how you doing? So on Bitcoin, this is 1 hourly chart, but 4 hourly chart also plays the same. There is nice lines up here. This looks like expanding wedge to me, guys, and this expanding wedge might just be a reversal pattern up here because we are at some kind of button down here. So on the downside we had, you know, one touch two touches, three touches. On upper side we had one touch, two touch, maybe this is a third touch, but right now I think we need to go up there all the way to some kind of 23,000 up there, maybe a little small pullback up here, then back up here again. You know, if the pullback now, you know, if the pullback goes all the way back down, we might do something like this and then, you know, break on the downside. But right now it does look like, you know, this expanding wedge up here might just do something like this and then break the resistance up here. Very nice right now. Right now we are getting the pattern. It's still on the small time frames. I mean, if you go to the 4 hourly, I mean, you still got this, you know, this consolidation phase up here, continuing going on. So, you know, it might take a little time. If you look at the daily time frame, we technically don't have any kind of pattern yet on the daily time frame. So this is a small time pattern. It's gonna play out, you know, I don't know how fast, but you know, it will play out eventually, right? And I think the most likely scenario up here is something like this up here right now. If you look how this looks on the daily time frame, you know, it might push us back to, you know, 10 moving average, 20 moving average up here, something like that, maybe 25k up here, and then, you know, back down again, you know, in more bearishness. But we are right now looking very nice, very good. We are at some kind of bottom down here. There is, I don't know how many people have been here meant in a family kind of way. I think AMP looks the same, 3 support touches. Yeah, there is a lot of other patterns on there are a lot of other patterns on altcoins that might be looking the same. But guys, did you look at watch the yesterday's trade stream? We had a, you know, Sheldon Sniper was trading AVAX, and we want also to trade something, so we want to also trade AVAX. But that's not important. That's not what I want to talk about. We actually lost $50 yesterday. It was a terrible trade. You know, we are bearish. We are looking at patterns to go towards downside, but we are a little bit unsure, and then, you know, we kind of FOMO'd in. It went up, you know, in our direction for a little bit. You know, we could have taken like something like 70% profits, but we waited. Right after that we got a, you know, big candle. I can show you actually what happened up here. If you go to the 5-minute chart, up here we are looking at this, you know, pattern towards the upside. It was expanding wedge towards the upside, so this needs to break on downside, but you know, it kind of did not break down over here, so we are kind of waiting. This line should be a little bit more something like this up here, give or take, maybe even up to there. And it did not break on the downside, so it actually got up above the 20 moving, you know, it tested this line, you know, several times. It got above the 10 and 20 moving average, and then we, you know, went long here. It went above the 200 moving average up here, and, you know, everything was looking nice. We could have taken profits up here, but then it dropped big time back down here, and as soon as it closed down here below 10-20 moving average, we exited the trade, because this is a very bad move. It was not, you know, in any kind of continuation towards the upside. This is not supposed to happen. We exited the trade, and this just dumped big time on the downside. It was really, you know, it went actually. If you look at this chart on the Bybit, I'm gonna show you. If you look at this chart on Bybit, you'll see here that, you know, the wick went all the way down to some kind of a bottom down here. This entire move actually happened almost in 2 seconds. That's how fast. I'm gonna show you second chart up here, and I'm gonna show you that, you know, the entire move happened in 2 seconds, guys. In 2 seconds. Where is it? Here's the move, and if you zoom in here, the entire move, this is second chart, guys. This is second chart. So if you look at here, 1 second and 2 seconds, like we had a drop of 3.34, you know, considering this other way, but 3.34% down in 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. So a lot of people got liquidated and stuff like that. So it's a good thing that we actually exited the trade, where we exited the trade, because, you know, at least we noticed that, right? At least we noticed that. But that wasn't what I was thinking, you know, and we should definitely have shorted this towards the downside, but we didn't do that. Doesn't matter. What I want to talk about is the 4 hourly time frame, because right before we closed the stream, I was waiting for something that didn't happen. And that happened right over, where was it? Up here. No, up here. So up here it happened. So we had this big red candle up here, and then we had this Doge up here. So we are waiting for this candle close up, you know, until the 10 o'clock, right? And the thing that I wanted to see here is another one of these Doges, because oftentimes you'll see a big red candle, big red candle up here, right? And on the next candle you'll see some kind of Doge up here. Now oftentimes this, you know, it can be just enough with one Doji, and then you have this, you know, bullish candle next time. But, you know, oftentimes you'll see also 2 Dojis you know, right next to each other down here, holding the support for a long time, maybe sometimes even 3 dojis, give or take, 3 dojis in a 3 dojis in a row. And this is a very bullish pattern because oftentimes you just pump right back up again. And you know, I was watching for these 2 dojis to happen. It did not happen. It went down, and then we closed the stream and like, okay guys, it's game over. This is gonna continue a little bit more towards downside. It did. It finds some kind of bottom here. Right now it's pulling back up again, right? So on the stream here. But what I want to show you is that these 2 candles did happen right now on 1 hourly time frame on Ethereum, for example, up here. So you can see here, this is what I was actually waiting for yesterday, this pattern up here. You can see big red candle, 2 dojis on the downside, and then right back up again. So you know, when you get these 2 dojis, oftentimes you can get this big massive move towards the upside. Now this move was something like, yes, 4% move towards the upside. So you can get, so you know, sometimes 2 dojis, sometimes 3. If it's 1 doji, you can often get this 1 candle with a big wick in the middle over here, and then you know, big move towards the upside. That can definitely happen. Let's see, I think we had this something like that on the 1 hour 5-minute chart up here somewhere. No, it wasn't on 5-minute, 30-minute chart. Maybe on Bitcoin was it? Where did I see that? 1 hourly. Yeah, over here on 1 hourly you can see the same thing up here happening, right? We went down 2 dojis, right back up again, right here. Oftentimes you can see something like this up here on the bottom as well. You can see big red candle with a doji in the middle and then right back up again. This is also a reversal pattern, but sometimes you know, these things happen on the bottom. You know, they don't happen like up here somewhere in the middle. These things happen on the bottom somewhere and can indicate, you know, reversal towards the upside. So it's a very nice move. So that's what I was waiting for AVAX yesterday, but that did not happen, unfortunately. It didn't happen, unfortunately, yesterday. But right now it's happening. So I just want to, you know, give you a small tip about these kind of candles, these kind of patterns up here, candle patterns up here, that they, you know, they might indicate reversal towards the upside, right? So this pulled another one, another move towards the downside. Right now it's breaking this 10-20 moving average on 1 hourly time frame. It does look good for continuation towards the upside. Let me see Ethereum as well. Ethereum also closed here. Here a little bit above the 10 moving average up here, and yeah, that is that. So let's go back to the Bitcoin chart up here. This expanding channel, this is the most bullish thing right now that we have on the chart. We got some kind of double bottom down here. You'll see this resistance up here. We got some kind of double bottom up here. If you can manage, we are already breaking that level up here. We are already closed the 1 hourly up here. So right now I think the next resistance should be around the 50 up here. If you can get above 21.2 or something like that up here, these levels up here, 21,183, you know, and the 50 moving average, if you can get above this resistance up here, I'm pretty confident that this entire move can right now pull something insane, like all the way to the top of this channel. I'm a little bit unsure about the channel, but this top up here is kind of, it is lower than this one up here. It is lower than this one, so it might be some kind of channel as well. I'm a little bit unsure, but you know, maybe it's gonna be something like this up here. So you know, it can stop up here, it can stop up there. There is several places where there can be resistance, but if it's, you know, and I think it just might be expanding channel because of this week up here. These two candles, this candle is an engulfing candle, so I'm not you know, considering this. I'm looking at this week over here, this week and this week. So there are 3 weeks on the upside. Over here we got a couple of weeks on the downside. Very nice moves, and I think this is right now expanding channel. So if this right now starts going up, you can see here also right now major resistance up here. That's why I'm saying this level up here is very important to break, because that's where it's going to be 10 moving average. So if you can get up here, you know, maybe above the 20 moving average up here, we just might pump all the way up to some kind of 23 level or something like that. That's gonna be very nice, very bullish for, you know, altcoins and stuff like that. So we might see some nice pump over up there. So you know, I'm bullish, sun is shining, expanding wedge, some kind of bottom, long trades, you know, all of that stuff. You know, that's why we are playing the lazy song, guys. That's why we're playing the lazy song, and you know, it's good times. It's good times. We're gonna play it on end. Bro, give me some extreme grade A premium world class hopium on QNT chart. Short term, long term, I don't care. Just show me some hopium, because I bought big in the low 40s. Ooh man, no, 10 bucks, 10 bucks, man. Thanks for the bucks, man. Appreciate the bucks. Always appreciate bucks. All the guys, all the super chat bucks goes to our TA fans club account. We got like 280 bucks in there right now. These 10 bucks are gonna come very nice handy. We do these 280 bucks to trade. you know, from time to time, or, you know, in Telegram chat and stuff like that, you know, to do the trades. Today I did one trade in Telegram on with the 280 bucks. I can show you up here. Where is it? No, not this one. This one. TI Fans Club. And up here, where was it? This is the trade that I took today. Only 140 bucks. So, you know, did the 50% of the count, 10x. ETH entry price 1082, you know. So, you know, morning coffee and you know, mobile trading phone on when I feel bullish. That's what it is, right? So Ethereum trade went from, if you look at a 5-minute time frame up here, you know, reason I took the trade was that, you know, we had some kind of bottom down there, you know, it was going up nicely, and then right over here we took the trade over there, 620 or something like that, I think. Yeah, over here we took the trade. It came up, let me see the 15 1 hourly time frame up here. Yeah, it was getting up here, you know, yeah, right up here above the 10 moving average. So we took the trade. So we are a little bit up right now. We guys gonna try to run this move all the way up to the top. But you know, that's what the super chats are for, guys. You know, we take super chats and put it in the account and try to trade that. Thanks for the bucks. Let's now check out QNT for the guy with the bucks. QNT Tetris. So he said he bought at 40. So you bought low, man. Why do you need hopium where you buy low, man? Why do you need hopium in the low 40s? So somewhere down here, man. Why do you need hopium, man? What kind of hopium do you need? Hopium for what, man? You're already in profit. What kind of hopium do you need? You know, what kind of hopium do you need? You bought in low 40s. It's nice. So Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is the biggest, you know, right now, the biggest hopium for everything. And, you know, if you're buying down here, you're buying the bottom, man. You're buying the bottom, right? You're buying the bottom. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to give you some nice levels, though. I'm going to give you QNT. Let's try to find another chart that has a little bit more data. QNT. Let's find a lot of a Qcoin. Maybe has more, a little bit more, not enough. QNT. Maybe on Kraken. No. QNT. Why does it, what? Binance calculated? Nah. QNT. Maybe a Pullinex or something like that. Gate.io. Yeah, okay, I think this is the big chart. This monthly chart, so it's nice. Down here we don't have anything that much left. Let's find some nice support levels. This is actually broken. This engulfing candle, so it should be up there. There we go. I think this might be the one. Nice one. This stop up here. There are other levels as well. Let's pop some moving averages on this baby up here and see how this actually looks on the weekly time frame. We also got some kind of resistance up here at the top, up there at 16.9. But yeah, you're pretty much buying, you know, if you bought down here, you're pretty much buying the bottom, man. You're pretty much buying bottom. It all depends on how low Bitcoin goes. We don't think it's gonna go down to 10K, but it can. It's already down 90%. So you know, you are already through the worst. Yeah, at least you're not buying up there. You know, you're not buying up there. You understand? So you know, it's all good. It's all nice. The only hopium right now I can give you right now: number one, you're buying low. Number two, your daily RSI is down at 30. Weekly RSI is probably something extremely low down here as well, at something kind of 30 levels. So we are looking for a bump. You're also extended from the moving averages down here. So however you look at it, you bought well. I mean, can it go down? Yes, just like Bitcoin can go down to 10K. You know, just like Bitcoin can go down to 10K, doesn't mean, you know, that's gonna be that terrible. Everybody's saying Bitcoin down 10K, 13K, gotta go down 84% like all the other times. You know, all the other times we did a parabolic move towards the upside. This time there was no parabolic move. We had a double top. You know, it's a different top. It's not parabolic top. Parabolic tops have a 84% downside. You know, double tops maybe have 60-70% downside. Who knows? Who knows? Will we get 10K on Bitcoin or not? I don't know. You bought bottom, man. Why do you need any kind of hopium? Or are you just bragging? Anyways, nice buy, man. Nice buy. So Bitcoin, you know, I think right now, you know, I'm a little bit bullish, and I'm gonna stay bullish until this actually plays out. Right now, if we on a 1 hourly time frame, for whatever reason, if you see the break on the downside, it's not that bad. But if you see, you know, a retracement failing to get back inside this expanding channel, failure to get back inside, and you know, we get reject private, that's bad. You know, just breaking on downside like over here, not so bad. Doesn't matter, because you can just do this and continue towards the upside. Maybe there is another line up here, I don't know. right? But if you do like something like this up here, you know, that's gonna be bad, right? So, you know, there is long time left actually to be, you know, for something bearish to happen. So right now, you know, Bitcoin looks nice, getting this nice candle above the moving averages up here, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, still pumping this morning doji star pattern up here. Very nice pattern, bottoming pattern as well on the bottom down here as well. Looks nice, you know. There's not much to say. There is not much to say about this, but you know, it looks very nice, and you know, we just might continue to think that this might just nicely continue towards the upside. Now, some coins did pump, you know, a little bit, you know. Phantom's up 7%, Solana is up 4%, one is up 3%. Polkadot up 3%, Sand up almost 4%, Cardano 4.4%. And I was looking at Cardano, I was thinking maybe this is some kind of bearish flag, guys. Maybe this is some kind of bearish flag. So, you know, we're gonna be careful about that as well when if we get up here for the third time, right? And then we get this flag towards downside. I'm not quite sure whether this is gonna play out or not. You know, this target up here should be something like this up here, some kind of 32. Are we gonna drop down more? I don't know, man. I don't know. We're gonna see that. Right now it looks like expanding channel. Is it a bear flag or not? We don't know. Can we be pushed down again to these lows down here again if this bear flag maybe plays out, maybe like that, and then go down here and consolidate up here again and then up there again? You know, I don't know how it's gonna play out, but right now today is a good day. We're gonna see if today is gonna continue being a good day, and there's that. Will you put a long for QNT? No, I'm just checking out for that knock life, bro. Chill it hard. I'm not kidding. Low QNT 40. Are you kidding me? Low. I don't want to shill anything, man. I don't want to shill anything, but you know, if you like it, you like it. You know, there was a guy in my Telegram chat. He said, bro, buy this this coin and you know, just forget about it. Just forget about it. It's some kind of DAO, GDAO, I think, or something like that. I put $600 for that, and I also paid like 100 and something bucks for fees on Ethereum. So you pay 600, you buy something for 600 and you pay 100 fees. You know, it's insane. It's insane. No wonder, you know, it is having problems with, you know, adoption. I think it missed the entire bull run because of that. You know, a lot of other these layer one blockchains were, you know, playing out nicely right now because Ethereum is just so slow implementing this proof of stake work, right? Anyways, I bought that, and you know, right now it's below 40 bucks or something like that, 50 bucks or something like that. So, you know, when people tell me, hey man, just buy this and forget about it, just buy it, it's gonna be good, you know. Maybe it's gonna be good. Right now it's bear market, so everything goes down, right? But, you know, he told me to buy, you know, with this high, so it pumped like to like 5K, it did well. Yeah, it did well. It could have done better. I think it could have done better because adoption could have been so much better. But but Ethereum might pump extremely well next bull run when they fix proof of you know, go from proof of work to proof of stake because of the fees and because it is the biggest blockchain over here. And just because of that, there might, you know, when we get the next bull run, NFTs, metaverse, this, that, adoption hitting in, people buying, you know, S coins for, you know, $0.02 on Ethereum, that might, you know, propagate it to some extreme levels, guys. I think it's gonna go like, you know, at least 10x from 1,000 right now. You know, that's gonna be around you know, 10,000, maybe even 20,000, who knows. But I think at least, you know, 10x is gonna be it's pretty much written in the books for Ethereum right now. Cardano prediction next bull run. Cardano is gonna do great. I am very bullish on Cardano. It's not going anywhere. They just keep on building stuff on it. You know, it's not S coin. They have been building it, you know, steadily, scientifically over the years, long periods of time. It's getting better and better. You know, previous bull run there was a lot of hope he's gonna do this, he's gonna do that, but you know, it wasn't out yet. But right now it's gonna come out, so we're gonna see actually, you know, the final works of what's happening. So I'm very bullish on Cardano as well, definitely. You know, and I like, you know, you know, it doesn't matter what Charles Hoskinson does. You know, he's, you know, the CEO of you know, he's a good guy. You know, he's leading the Cardano. He's sticking with it. He's not like those guys from Phantom that just leave the project, or like Dan Larimer that just left EOS after getting $4 billion in funding to create EOS. That was such a bad move. I mean, founder leaves, you know, create something like, here you go, take thing, go away, I'll take my money, bye bye, I'm gonna do something else. You know, Charles Hoskinson, you know, the Cardano is his baby. He's not gonna leave it. He's still gonna be there. He's a smart guy. He's gonna continue doing it. So, you know, I'm bullish on Cardano as well. What about Doge? Doge, I'm very bullish. Doge, number one meme coin ever, still around. You gotta understand, guys. You gotta understand, you know, Doge or Shiba, right? Who is the founder of Shiba? Who cares? Now, nobody cares. Who is who is CEO of Shiba? Nobody cares. Who is CEO of Doge? I know what you're gonna say. Some, you know, random. No, CEO of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. Remember that. Do not ever forget that, guys. CEO of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. Right now, yesterday, Elon Musk had a first board meeting with Twitter. I was a little bit unsure whether he bought Twitter or not. But yesterday, he had a first board meeting with Twitter and was talking about free speech and stuff like that. But it looks like he's starting to implement his ideas. And he also said that, you know, there should be currency and crypto payment on Twitter. Doge is gonna be on Twitter, guys. Doge is gonna be on Twitter. Why? Because Elon Musk is CEO of Dogecoin. Remember that. Never forget that. I don't know who CEO of Shiba Inu is. I don't know who CEO of SafeMoon is. I don't know who CEO of Pregnant Butt is, you know, but I know who, you know, CEO of Dogecoin is. What do you think about Harmony? Not so much. I don't actually know about it. Much about it. I believe in Great Depression like 1930. Me too. Unfortunately, I don't know how it's gonna happen. Elon getting sued over Doge by a random guy. Everyone, you know, if you're rich, you're gonna get sued. So you better, you know, lawyer up and, you know, let them handle these stuffs. You know, it's just normal thing. All the rich guys are getting sued, you know, it's just normal. There was something on Twitter yesterday about Elon Musk being sued for shilling Doge. Didn't read it too. People are gonna, guys, rich guys always get sued all the time, all the place. All the time, all the place. You gotta understand that. People always want their money. Doesn't matter. I lost money. You said it's as goodbye. I bought you. You know, I bought Doge. It went down. I want my money back. You know, rich guys are always gonna get sued. That's the life of it. That's the life. Doesn't matter who you are. If you are rich, there will be somebody somewhere somehow. He will sue you. You know, it's not. It's, you know, it's fun. You know, whatever. But get lawyers. Let them handle the situation. You know, there is that. That not $100. Chill hard, bro. Tell me, even if BTC goes down to 10k, QNT will move because the chart is ultra bullish and the tech is selling world monkey likes pandemic, or at least tell me the chart say BTC is passing the torch to utility in the next few months. Throw in XRP too. $100, man. How bullish are you? How stupidly bullish are you on this QNT stuff? You know what? We are not gonna look at chart. We're gonna, you know, for you know, for $100, we're gonna check out what WTF is QNT coin cap and why is that not live so bullish on QNT. By the way, if I go to QNT page right now, man, if I go to QNT page right now and on the page there is like buy my coin on the front page, I'm gonna close the page. Do we agree on that? If there is like, here's my token, buy my token, this is where, if there's address on the token, I'm gonna close it. Okay, Quant Network. Okay, so far so good. The future of finance today. Unlocking power of blockchain forever. Okay, so the page is nice. Institutional partners, they're shilling the stuff. Good. There is no buy my token stuff over here. Good, very good so far. Page looks nice. Interoperability solved. Is this layer one? Blockchain? Developers unleashed. Nice. KDA, very nice. No buy my token. Nice. I liked it. You know, the first red flag for me. If you go to the page and somewhere up on the page is like buy my token. You know, here's the, you know, address. Go here, buy the token. That's the very first red flag for you guys. If you know, any legit project with, you know, with self-worth, self-respect, won't have on the front page, on the very front page where they're trying to, you know, showcase their technology, buy my token. I mean, people are gonna figure out how they're gonna buy your token if they want to buy the token, right? What you're trying to do with your web page, you know, get, you know, users, get, you know, developers, do this, do that, right? So this is good, right? So far so good. Why? What? Digital currency payment capital, yeah. Who? What? So they're just explaining what it is. Get started today. By the way, I watched, if you go to YouTube, And yesterday I was looking into Cardano a little bit, and I think a big red flag for me is if programmers have hard time, developers have hard time. That no club joined TFN Club. Finally, man, after that $100 you gotta join the TFN Club. So I was looking at KDI problems, and this was a big Cardano, I'm sorry, but he also made another video. Where is it? Larson. This Cardano, no thanks. So in this video, this was a big red flag for me. This is only 7 months ago, but what he does over here is he actually tries to develop on the blockchain, right? He tries to develop on the blockchain, and there's so many small problems. It doesn't go very smooth. And me, I like that stuff goes smooth. So I've also noticed that when I try to use something, there are other projects like that you can use. If you notice the very simple problems from user and developer perspective, like they're not making it very intuitive or easy to make, and there are all kinds of problems that can pop out. It's something that tells me, like, it's kind of like, if I'm noticing that there are a lot of other people that are gonna notice that as well. So Cardano I actually went a little bit away from because of this. I'm not quite sure what they're doing right now, but I don't know how it is for a quant. The future on finance, what's that? But that's the first good stuff. Up here, chart looks just like every other chart. It's not going back down to zero, so that's good. Right now it's a 40 at previous lows down here when it started in 2021, so it might be new. I cannot tell you much more about it. QMT versus Bitcoin daily chart. It's been bleeding, I guess, Bitcoin as well, but maybe it's gonna do well afterwards. Thanks, bro. I just joined. I can afford it because I bought a lot of that Quant Monkey, but I'm solving coins, so it's going to save the world. But serious, thank you for your lives, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. I guess you are big into Quant, and that's fine, man. That's fine. I might check it out. Maybe this is the next big thing. By the way, how much is the market cap on this thing? Wow, market cap is really low, like only $500 million. If this is any good, the webpage looks good, the chart looks bottomed out. I don't know what Quant is, whether it's gonna perform or not. The Knock Life is shilling it, so maybe he likes it. I don't know. That said, we're gonna see. Instead of talk, watch the charts. We did watch the charts. You came in late, Nico. If you had been here when we started like 30 minutes ago, you would have seen the charts. We are done with the charts. This show is pretty much done. This is called Bitcoin Daily, and we look at Bitcoin mostly, and Bitcoin is good. $100. Yeah, $100. Somebody gives me $100. I'm gonna talk, man. I'm gonna talk. That $100 is going directly into the TFN Club trading account. It's gonna like pump our account by 33% right now. Watching too much TV moves now. Yeah, it doesn't move that much now. Right now it's hitting the resistance up here, exactly resistance that we said that it needs to break up here. The 50 moving average up here, you can see here it's going up there. It looks bullish, guys. I'm not gonna tell you, there is no divergence also on the charts up here. You can see here there's no divergence. Momentum is going up. We got a bullish cross on 1 hourly time frame. Let's see up here volume as well. Volume is going a little bit south. Let's see 1 hourly volume up here. Should be going up there right now. No, this is on Qcoin as well. So it's not moving yet. It might start moving after it actually breaks up here. I think it might start moving towards upside. There is no volume yet, so no important break just yet. But right now it is hitting resistance up here. Some people might be a little bit cautious up here, but as soon as this break, there is resistance up here. I think it might explode. Now altcoins are already reacting as nicely, 5% on a lot of altcoins. Everything is going a little bit towards the upside. My Ethereum long position right now is doing well as well. How much am I on my Ethereum long position right now? Let me see up here. I only use Qcoin and trade the TFN Club money on the phone. I don't know why. I like Qcoin on the phone. We are right now up 25%, $34. $34. It's about time for at least a trace and some fake out pumps to the upside. Alts would be nice. That would be nice. By the way, the Knock Life, I want you to join our Telegram channel. Go to YouTube, go to the late adopter. By the way, welcome to the TFN Club. Join the green name, join the emojis, and join the Telegram channel. That's go up here, community tab. There will be a members post somewhere here. There is a Telegram link. Join the TFN Club Telegram, and we can chat there as well. BTC reject a POC along. The Ethereum doesn't move, so move not good. Yeah, but it will move eventually. It will move eventually. Short on it. Short on it. You are shorting it on the resistance. Might be that. I don't know. I'm a little bit bullish. We're gonna see. QCoin on phone is the best. Yeah, QCoin on phone is working very nicely. I love it, man. I love it. There is, you know, QCoin on web page. QCoin is, I think, a little bit need improvement with the UI. Bybit is actually very good on the. I like Bybit very good. I'm not shilling Bybit. I still don't have Bybit. I also like this. If you have 10,000 bit, you know, you get 0 market fee. This is insane, guys. This over here is insane. This is a promotion, some kind of promotion. Hold or stake bit to enjoy up to 0.025. Okay, it's not 0.00, but 0.0025 make rebates. Oh, it's make rebates. I don't know. How do I join? Yeah, 10,000 bit is 0.0 maker fee override. Minus 25. Oh yeah, override. What is that? I think some kind of scam, man. Some kind of scam. 100,000 bits, 0% override. I think, you know, right now you get, you know, make for 0.025, but if you have this is such a scammy thing to do, man. This is scammy thing. So it's not actually 0 maker fee. It's a little bit different. It's override. QCoin is the change the password. So if you hold 10,000, your maker fee is actually 0.0025, but that's only at 10,000. So you hold 10,000 is 0.0025, but if you hold 10 million, you know, it's actually zero fees. You know, 2.5 million, it's minus 20, so it's 0.0005, right? All right. So it's a little bit, you know, tricky, but I like Bybit. I think Bybit has a very. I wish QCoin would do something like Bybit. It's such a nice trading platform, and don't have any kind of link to shill right now, and you know, it's a very nice trading platform. You know, QCoin on the other hand, it needs to fix this blue color. I think it needs to fix a little bit on futures and learn from Bybit and stuff like that to get more attention. But you know, what QCoin has, what other exchanges don't have, and QCoin has, is a very nice way to see, you know, trades and, you know, wins and losses and how much you have in each account. They also got sub accounts, so you can split this stuff. You know, I'm shilling QCoin by the way right now. So you know, if you want to join QCoin, 20% lower fees now. I'm not shilling Bybit. I'm shilling QCoin, guys. I'm shilling QCoin. But it's very nice. But I like Bybit trading platform. So we got this, you know, this $1,000 up here that we are trading from 400 million on Bybit. On QCoin we are trading TF Fans Club money. We got $280 there right now, plus the $100 that we got from that knock life right now. So it's gonna be 380, and if you win something, it's gonna be around $400. Q promotes password before you play, sort of very annoying and delays entry. Yeah, that's kind of, but it's kind of, there should be a way to remove that. Maybe that is in something, you know. If not, we're gonna, you know, bother QCoin until they actually, you know, remove that. It is actually quite, I mean, you're already there, you're already long. Just let me place the trades, man. Just let me place the trades. So, but it might be good, like a security measurement for you know, people, because people tend to, you know, do bad stuff. Can promote password. There is no way. Bybit is best. Bybit is good. Bybit is definitely good, but you know, QCoin got all the gems, man. You cannot find gems on Bybit. Sorry, guys. There will be no gem. Bybit just puts, you know, anything that's pumping, the scams, you know, stuff like that. You can trade definitely Bitcoins and you can buy spot and stuff like that, but you know, it's nowhere close to buying gems like on QCoin. Every new coin is first when it comes on QCoin, you know, it comes to some kind of gate, the DEX, Gate.io, some kind of other coin, maybe a Kraken, then a QCoin, Binance, Bybit, and all of these other leverage exchanges, right? But QCoin is one of the first where all of these gems can come. So, you know, that's why I'm shilling QCoin, because that's where you can get actually buy nice coins. And I think that's what people want to do, you know. I think people want to buy gems and coins and, you know, good project and stuff like that when they are very, very early. You know, on level, not she confine. Yeah, exactly. So, but I think people are more interested in, you know, gems and stuff like that. I mean, you know, that said, there is one more thing we're gonna shill, and that's World Series of Trading, guys. On Bybit, there will be a trading competition now. Only if you have $500 to join the competition. Or if you have $500 to lose money. If you have if you have $500 to throw away, because you are most likely gonna lose the money. If you have $500 to throw away, consider, and you like trading, consider joining our team on the World Series of Trading. Race to the next level on Bybit. It starts in 10 days, so competition starts in 10 days. We gotta, you can join the squad, you can go solo, speed zone, I don't know what this is. I don't know if you can join solo and the squad at the same time, so check that before. But we have a squad on Bybit, and it's called TF Fans Club. Our motto is 5-minute break. There's a logo, and right now we got 12 people in the squad. 12 people in the squad. So if you want to join our squad for the trading competition in 10 days, and we're going to trade our asses off, leverage, risky trades, we're going to be crazy, because, you know, there is only way, that's the only way to do the money. Maybe a little bit careful, but we're going to trade, we're going to try to, you know, get the bragging rights. It's not about money, it's getting the bragging rights. So if you join our team, you get, you know, and trade with us on the TF Fans Club squad on Bybit, and if you have $500 to lose, because you'll probably lose the money. It's competition, a lot of euphoria, a lot of excitement, you know, your emotions are not playing well, you're a little bit, you know, scared what you're gonna do. So only if you have throwaway money, $500, because that's the least amount you need to actually start the trade. That's it's not interest fee, it's more like that's the amount of money you have to have in your account to be eligible to, you know, participate in the competition. Consider joining our TF Fans Club. There is a link down below. It's not Bybit shilling. I still get $20 if you join, but, you know, I'm not shilling that. I'm trying to shield the Bybit squad that we are gonna play on. So I think this is gonna be good. I'm not actually doing this to actually, you know, win big money. It's more about bragging rights. Let's see how good we are, you know. Let's see how good we are, because we just start trading. It's gonna be nice to join the competition. So if you wanna join, like, you know, us, you know, not a very good salesman. No, I'm not very good salesman, unfortunately. Is opening shorts easy on QCO Mobile? Yeah. So everything on QCO Mobile is extremely nice, and I like it even better than Binance Mobile. I don't know. I think it has less features, but it's very easy to open both shorts and longs, and you know, I like trading on QCoin. On mobile, on a web page, you know, they need a little bit doing, but, you know, QCoin is for getting gems, guys. So make account, and also making account to QCoin is very easy. They don't ask you a bunch of questions. You put in a mobile, you put in password, you're in. That's it. So make account right now, you know, so you have the 20% fees. You don't have to use, just make the account, leave it there, and, you know, maybe in half a year when you want to buy some kind of gems, you got a 20% less fees. So, you know, it doesn't hurt to, you know, make account on QCoin. You don't have to do anything. You know, just use, you know, a phone number, put in a, you know, password, and forget about it. He does good. He respects the risk, and he's honest. There you go. I already have a Bybit account. Can I still join the group? Of course, you can join the group. You know, the Bybit link down below is not for joining the Bybit. It's for joining the squad. It's the squad link. It says in the link, you know, Bybit Trading Club, join our TF Fans Club squad. It's a squad link, so you can find the squad, so you don't have to look for it, right? So you click that, you join the squad. You already have to have a Bybit account. QCoin is gem picker, yeah. So I'm gonna shield my QCoin until the next bull run. I'm also shilling, of course, the TF Fans Club and Binance fees. So if you need Binance, you know, if you wanna have 20% level of Binance and QCoin, you can use the link as well. There are two links, not this one, not this one. So there is that. But I will make a Bybit shilling as well. I will not shill it, but I will make it, just in case. We'll see. We'll see. John, bro, good luck to us. Yeah, good luck to us. Rostain Army, nice, nice. But only if you got $500 to, you know, lose, because there will be, of course, it's a competition. It's not, you know, a lot of people are gonna do stupid trades. A lot of people are gonna burn their money. So you gotta understand that, you know, it can be very easy to lose money. It can be very easy to lose money, especially during competition, because you're not calm. You know, you gotta, you know, you're thinking a little bit, you know, too premature and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, I think Bitcoin looks nice. I think Bitcoin needs to get above this level up here, give or take, this 50 moving average up here, around 21.2, give or take. If it gets above that, I think Bitcoin might go all the way, you know, all the way up there to the top. We're gonna see that. It might be a nice run right now. Everything is right now in green, and you know, it looks good. Also, stock markets right now opening a little bit in green. Let's go see daily. Stock markets did dump a lot yesterday, so it might pull back a little bit up here. Let's see on the stock markets up here. To be honest, I mean, the levels are very low, but there is no divergence or anything like that. Still looks nice. They are picking up a little bit as well. DXY went down a lot yesterday, and right now it's picking up a little bit up here towards the upside. Not quite sure about that, but you know, it already broke the trend, already hit here. I expect this to go more towards the downside, so maybe that might be help Bitcoin a little bit towards the upside. So we're gonna see that as well, how that actually plays out. We're gonna keep on following Bitcoin, what it's doing, but you know, that's what I got for you right now. I think it looks bullish. This double bottom down here and the bottom down here on the line, we are already overextended on the big time frames and so forth, so forth. Has DXY topped? I think DXY has topped. We even called it DXY, but you know, you can never be sure. Right now, if you're looking at daily time frame, it looks like it's topped up here. We call this 105 top up here, but on the weekly time frame doesn't have to be. It did go faster up here, but it just can continue popping up. I will not say that, you know, DXY stopped until it breaks this trend line up here. This trend line over here needs to be broken, and then we can see it actually top, because on the weekly time frame it is still you know, running towards the upside. It is going right now between these lines, but until it breaks up here, it has not technically topped. So you know, I think DXY can definitely pump more on the big time frames, but on the daily time frame right now, I think it needs to pull back maybe up here. We're gonna see if it's gonna go up here or down here. We're gonna see, but this line needs to be broken. This line, and right now that line is not broken yet, unfortunately. So the trend is still towards the upside. I mean, that is good, not Carl. I asked Carl on YouTube a long time ago. You have to understand that I like Carl because I watched Carl in 2018, right? 2018, 2019. He was doing a lot of TA videos, and I like him. And you know, the guy knows a lot of you know, a lot of tech analysis. He is lots. You need to follow Carl. You need to follow all of these guys that are Dubai guys. These guys talk to each other. Carl talks to MM Crypto talks to Da Vinci talks to the other YouTubers. All of these YouTubers knows all of these rich guys. They go to the parties, they talk to people, they understand what's next. And you know, Carl is a billionaire right now. MM Crypto is you know, a multi-millionaire or even billionaire. I don't know how rich they are. They're super rich guys. You have to understand that they have a lot of money. There is a lot of rich people there, and they are not even that rich as some other people, you know, in crypto space in Dubai. Guys, Dubai is some of the richest people in the world there right now. You have to understand that these rich people like celebrities. They like Carl. They like MM Crypto. They talk to them. They tell them what they're gonna do, what they're gonna think, what their next move is, what they are doing right now. And through Carl and the Moon and Da Vinci and all of these other YouTubers in Dubai, we get information. Maybe not right out, but you know, reading between the lines, we can figure out what's gonna happen next. If they are bullish, we are bullish right now. You can see right now they're buying. You understand? Don't just stop follow Carl just because he you know, follow the guys, you know, in Dubai. I'm telling you, you know, number one, Carl is actually pretty decent when it comes to tech analysis. I've followed him before, I still follow him, but there is something to get from. Follow Carl, buy Casta, get wrecked. Yeah, but Casta will, you know, pump next time. You know, we are going through the bear market, so he has to get wrecked. It's just normal. They released Casta at the wrong point. There is not much to do about that. But Casta will pump, you know, even though it's just a vault, it will pump because, you know, Carl the Moon. So those guys only choose to create armies of bag holders and fools. No. You have to read between the lines. So I am at least doing that. I'm still following Carl, MM Crypto, although I don't watch their videos. Interesting to watch, but it's not like it used to be, right? There are, you know, if you want to watch, you know, tech analysis, if you want some kind of fundamental stuff, there are probably other guys, but Garrett Soloway or Peter Schiff. Follow. I don't want to follow Peter Schiff. Garrett Soloway, you know, his technicals are okay-ish. I'm not a fan of Garrett Soloway's tech analysis either. You know, I think it could be better. People are like, what? You don't like Garrett Soloway? The guy's been like in crypto in this space for 50 years. Yeah, just because somebody's been in you know, tech analysis for 50 years doesn't mean they're good. They have been, you know, yeah, doesn't matter. They really cast at the right point for them to sell on retail. I don't think they sold. I think they just bake holding still. The guys that sold are guys that got free airdrops. Because you have to understand, remember when Carl was telling people buy SafeMoon? I don't remember that. But SafeMoon did pump. I don't know whether he told him to buy at the top or the bottom. But I'm still following the Carl. I'm still following MM Crypto. I'm following rich people. I'm following smart people. I'm following, you know, people that can give me any kind of value inside what's happening, guys. Because you cannot follow poor people. I always remember. I don't know who said that. PT chart right now is it breaking towards the upside. Let's see 1 hour time frame. No, it's not breaking yet. It's pulling up to the resistance, but it's not above the resistance. I remember one time, and I don't know who said it, but if you want to be rich, you're not gonna go, you know, take advice about, you know, from go to your bank and take advice from you know, counselor on how you should save money and you know, get rich and invest money. You're not gonna do that because that guy is poor. He has his shill bags. He has to shill to you, and that's what he does. If you wanna get rich, you take advice, you know, from rich guys, from guys who are making money. They'll give you advice in their field of expertise. So it's not gonna be all over the place. A guy that's rich on real estate is gonna tell you buy this, buy that. A guy that's rich in on crypto is gonna tell you buy this or buy that. A guy who's rich on trading is gonna tell you do this or do that. So you gotta look at that. But you know, you take advice from guys who are actually making it. If you wanna be a pro footballer, you know, a soccer player, pro football player, right? You're not gonna look at, you know, these mediocre guys. I mean, they might have some kind of nice, interesting stuff, but if you wanna be on top level, you gotta go to the top guys, top level guys, and, you know, take advice from them. You know, look what they do, copy them, copy rich people, copy people that are good trading, copy people that are actually making money, right? You don't want to go to the, you know, council, right? So, you know, I always think like who is good, who's doing well, you know, and I try to follow these people and you know, trying to learn. Do I need to trade 500 on each trade or in general? You know, you just have to start first trade with 500 bucks, and then that gets to be like your initial start. You have to trade 500 bucks for 5 minutes, I think, as a first trade at least, to be to put that as your initial start capital. And then after that, I think you can trade however you want. But guys, copy Sasha from TLA. But only, guys, if you are scared about your money, it's, you know, it's not a good thing to be in these kind of competitions, because competitions will get you wrecked. Number one, you do not want to be emotionally attached when you're trading, and you will be emotionally attached when you're trading in any kind of competition. So you're gonna get it. So only if you have 500 bucks to lose, consider joining the Bybit squad. Only if you have 500 bucks to lose, and there is link down below. Let me just shield it because I like the video. I think their promo video is nice. They got a couple of promo videos, but I think this one is nice. July 10th, so we got June 10th to July 17th, so that's little over a month. July 10th, yeah, little over a month, like 1 month's time. There will be trading for 1 month's time, and then they will see who actually gets. Nice video, nice trailer, so we're gonna see that. Demjan is joining, nice, welcome Demjan. Only if you have, I have 500 to lose. I was gonna donate to the monkey legs pandemic, but I bought QNT, which is solving the monkey legs pandemic, so I balls deep in the competition. I was good. Captain is cherry. Captain came in late, so there is that. Martin, I was looking for some opium, but I think you could be right. It could go up, unfortunately, but I think we are doing very well right now. Doesn't matter. Exactly a month from now, June 10th. Wait, right now it's June 10th. What? Did the competition start? No, it cannot start. Competition start in 10 days. Why did it say up here in... Here it says June 10th to July 17th. The late captain. Do you gamble sometimes? No, I don't gamble. I don't like gambling. You know, I will gamble if I go to, you know, Vegas, or I go to a casino, something like that. But it will only be like, you know, it doesn't get me. It doesn't get me going. I knew some gamblers in my time though, so I know how. So I know that I'm not a gambler. I knew some gamblers, and I see how they act, and you know the rush they get, you know, and you know just. It doesn't get me going, you know. I don't like gambling because, you know, especially like if there is no skill involved, I don't like it. But if there is skill involved, I like to figure out the skill. So like trading, you know, just going long, short, you know, getting money, it's not my thing, you know. But getting it the right, you know, getting the patterns right, getting the right trades, you know, acquiring the skill needed to do that, you know, that gets me going, right? But just gambling, nah. Did I miss everything? You missed everything, man. Gamblers go bankrupt, don't be a gambler. Nah, I'm not a gambler, man. I win blackjack most of the time. Most of the time. The 5-minute break, Captain. 5-minute break. What are the best reasons to learn TA? My channel. My channel. By the way, guys, I figured out, not my channel, yeah, beside my channel, there is, if you go to the channels on my channel, there is the late adopter. So join, guys, subscribe to this channel up here. There is a couple of videos up here right now. I will remove those videos, and because right now some of these videos are very long. This is like 30 minutes long, 80 minutes long, 12 minutes long, you know. I want every single video on this site to be the less than 5 minutes, because I think a lot of stuff can be explained in less than 5 minutes. So this is just kind of killing it to death. And I think if you cannot, you know, get it in 5 minutes, then you probably need to learn somewhere else. But I will remake all of the videos, and you know, these are only, you know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 videos, something like that. But you know, I was actually thinking of making, you know, RSI, MACD, and how to buy and sell 3 more videos to, you know, as a start. But right now I'm gonna make 5 more videos. I'm gonna make 5-minute video. But I've been thinking, when do I want to release the videos and what I want to do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make all of these 5-minute videos, at least in my head, that I want to make, you know, candles, support resist, time frames, how to use trading view, this pattern, that pattern, you know, everything that I know about tech analysis in less than 5 minutes, short movies. And then I'm gonna release one after another every single day when we are in the bull market, in euphoria phase, right? I'm gonna release that during euphoria phase, and gonna shill everybody the channel, and I'm gonna pump the channel, you know, to the max. So that is gonna be that. So you know, you can subscribe right now and, you know, just wait, but there will come a lot of small 5-minute videos eventually. Magnus, I have a strong feeling it might be at the end of this spin. If not this week, perhaps next week, maybe 15k. We might not see 10k sales, so I'm buying like crazy. Chaco Ban, welcome to the bright side. Welcome to the bright side. So you've probably seen something else. It's okay, man. It's okay. This is why we don't do long-term prediction, and we are never like 100% is gonna go to this level or that level. We even said like we need to get down to 20, 21, 22 level. Right now we are down there, but if something changes, if the metrics changes, we need to be having up openness and not be stubborn to, you know, look, no, it's gonna do this, it's gonna do this. We have to be open, always learning, always trying to find out what's the next move. Because honestly, we don't know what's gonna happen in the long term. We don't know if there's gonna be black swan event, and you might be right, we're gonna hit that 10k, or is that gonna be some kind of white swan event and we're gonna pump to 100k tomorrow. We don't know. So we are learning, you know. But it is low, it is very oversold on everything, and it can definitely go down more, but it needs to, you know, consolidate first before it does that. And a video on how you use technical in this, yeah. After the next bull market, Kila moves to Dubai. No, I'm never moving to Dubai, guys. Doesn't matter how rich I get. Even if I get $1 billion, I'm not moving to Dubai because of taxes, guys. I'm still gonna stay here, or maybe move to, you know, Tokyo or Singapore, or, you know, somewhere else, but not Dubai. I don't know what I'm gonna do in Dubai, guys. I literally don't know it's so hot all the time. You know, you gotta be rich without kids and, you know, stay in your apartments every day, go from hotel to hotel. And the beaches are like, you know, they're not that nice. Like, what am I gonna do in Dubai, guys? And it's only Dubai. Like, as soon as you're outside Dubai, it's only sand. And there might be stuff to, there's no tax. Yeah, but I don't care, but I want to pay my tax. I just want to live my life, you know. I don't want to sit in Dubai and not live life. Yeah, sure, you can travel here and there, but you still gotta come home to Dubai. You know, move to London. Yeah, London is a lot better. There's a ton of stuff to do in London, man. No culture, not. I don't know about culture stuff, you know, but you know, there is everything that I like, you know, it's not in Dubai. It's not in Dubai. You know, and also I got small kids, so I'm definitely not moving them out of the school to go in some school in Dubai or something like that. So that's not gonna happen. Can you please tell the difference between the RSI and MACD divergence? RSI divergence is measuring the strength of the price. So I don't think there is any difference, but you know, they are measuring different things. MACD is measuring, I think, momentum. So you can see that momentum is losing pace, but momentum can also just continue, while the RSI is measuring the strength of the move. So something like that. There's difference, but both can be used. You can see on the MACD when the price is going in one direction and the RSI is going to the other direction. So let me find a divergence up here. Nice divergence up here. Maybe on the 4-hourly time frame up here. There, yeah, that is nice. So over here, what you're gonna see up here is that the divergence is happening on the 4-hourly. That's why we're pumping a little bit up here right now. Coming to this resistance, we're gonna see if we're gonna break that. What you're gonna see here is that momentum up here. This is measuring the momentum in the chart. We actually want to see a momentum, you know, going towards the upside. So over here, technically, momentum is going towards the upside while the actually chart is going down. So that means that also that this move towards downside is losing momentum. I don't know how to explain that, but you know. It's about a lot of BTs, but you know me, my biggest bag is Nano. Please don't ignore this false Nano is at this price. Yeah, Choco Ben is, you know, shilling still Nano. So it's okay, guys. It's okay. There we go. We got a 4-hourly close, 10 o'clock right now. We got a bullish move up here, up at the resistance right now. We got this bottoming candle up here. This bottoming signal up here is already kind of done. This can right now pull back because what we are looking for is these two candles. We are looking for these two bottoming candles to jump in on this candle, right? So that's what we're looking for. But once these three candles are played out, it's kind of over. But this is a very nice bullish candle towards the upside. So if this right now breaks, you know, both this level, 10 moving average and the 20 moving average towards the upside, alts are gonna explode, guys. Alts just might explode towards the upside. We completely bottom. Captain, Dubai Elmo. Yeah, as long as like 6% Asian, Pakistan, Indian. Yeah, but Asian, Pakistanis, Indians are fine, man. No problem with it. I don't have any problem with any kind of groups, man. It's all good. It's all good. There we go, guys. I think Bitcoin is gonna do fine. I think Bitcoin is gonna do fine. We're gonna, you know, pump today. I think today is gonna be a nice day. So we're gonna see how much we actually can pump. So far, so good. Anyways, guys. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, 9 AM Central European time on the dollar. We're gonna do this show. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do there. Have a nice day, guys. It's sunny outside, very sunny. I'm gonna go out and do stuff. Bye bye. Enjoy KuCoin.
Lives are sweet. Some folks make decisions and some folks clean the streets. Now imagine what it feels like. Imagine how it sounds. Imagine life is perfect and everything works out. No tears are falling from my eyes. I'm keeping all the pain inside. Now don't you wanna live with me? I'm lazy as a man can be. I'm wicked and I'm lazy. God.